Hi, my name is Mensur Zahiric and I'm the founder and CEO of Easynote. We have been working very hard for the last year to deliver this version of Easynote to you, and I will be starting by presenting a demo project in Easynote and show you how to get started with Easynote in an easy way. So let's get started. So this is a view in Easynote with the demo project, and we have created different personas here, and we have created a demo project called the Warehouse Construction Project. Once you're inside Easynote, you can quickly see the entire tool. Here you can expand the menu, or you can click here to show your projects. And same thing, you can collapse here to get a better overview of your projects. Up here you have an instant search, and you have your notifications, and this is where you can manage your account. Now, once you're inside Easynote, this is what we call a list view. You have different categories. Inside those categories you have different tasks. To the side here we can see different widgets. We have added one named status widget, people widget, another people widget, priority, progress, and a deadline. And the beauty here is you can add unlimited number of widgets in Easynote. So what does it mean? Well, if we look at status widgets, you can have your own statuses. We have created 3 by default, but you can add anyone you would like to have. Here you can see the assigned project members and also responsible members for a certain task. You can move different widgets and have them sorted, or you have an option where you can filter different widgets depending on what kind of widget they are. Another beautiful thing here is you can move the task up or down, or from one category to another, or you can move the task and have them nested like this. Once you want to have more information about a task, you can actually click on it and get a nice view to the right here. And here we have different options where you can manage this task, set labels, create subtasks, checklists, reoccurring tasks, and copy or move this task. In this view we can see the task activity, and we have comments where you can actually write a comment, or if you would like to, you can actually mention someone. So if I write just Austin, how are you, and click on send, or control enter, and that comment will be actually sent. You can reply on comments. And same thing, we have attachments here where you can actually take your Explorer. I will take one picture here and just drag and drop it here, and this file will be uploaded to your task. Very nice, and that is as well visible in a task activity. You can change a task name either clicking here, but we have added a shortcut where you can right click on this column here or a row, and you can instantly change a task name or change the labels, add more, or move the task. So basically the most common used functions. If we go to the left, we have a Kanban view, and we have different statuses here, and you can move the task from one status to another. So this is more visual view to manage your task, or you can move these statuses to have them sorted. One thing we have here in this icon here is actually indicating what status is being shown in this Kanban here. You can, same thing as in list view, you can right click on a task to have your task edited in a quick way, so you can change the task name and set labels from here as well. Pretty nice. We have added a very nice view. If you click on a task, it's called a 3D view. You can move your tasks between your tasks up and down. So if you do that, you will jump from one task to another. Or if you go right and left with your keys on your keyboard, you will jump from one status to another, and then you can also go up and down. Pretty cool. These widgets here are actually seen as in a list view, so you can change them directly. So if you want to change them from here, or you want to go to the list view, and if you change them here in this task, that is exactly the same thing. You can also take an attachment or a picture or a document and just drag it onto your task, and the files will be uploaded, and a preview of that image will be shown here. Add a limited number of statuses, or just quickly add its statuses here. You can also change your project by clicking here. We have activity, that is basically where you can see all the project activities across entire Easynote, and you can collapse these projects or simply click here and view the project, those selected projects you would like to see, or simply click on a date and you will get the date for that specific date, what activity has been happening in all these projects for that specific day. Pretty cool. We have added a contacts application, so this is a new application where you can manage your contacts and companies. One of the most powerful features in Easynote is actually its search. So basically you can search for anything in all projects at any time. This is really powerful, and you can open it with a shortcut simply by Control Space or clicking up here, and you can type for anything you would like to find on Easynote. So it's searching for tasks, comments, attachments, and much more. So find anything at any time. See instantly who has if you have received any notification or if someone has actually mentioned you. In this area here, this is where you can add project members who have access actually to this project, and this can be only seen and edited by a project admin owner or project administrator. So project members don't have access to this view here. We have as well an option to manage your projects. So you can see all the team members on Easynote. You can say, okay, I want these specific people to have access on this project, or simply remove them. If you want to make someone an administrator, simply add them as administrator and they can manage the project. And same thing, you have a little bit of statistics, so who has done what in that specific project. Teams and people, basically who are the members of your team. So those people who you invite in your team, then they are able to create and manage their own projects within that team. And same thing, you can be a member on a number of teams, and you can be a member of number of projects within those teams. Fantastic. And you can quickly invite people here to Easynote. And the last part, we have settings where you can manage your account, personal information, manage pop-ups, notifications. You will of course receive live notifications here, and you will also receive email notifications to your email. And that's it. And if you have any idea, please share it with us. Send your feedback back to us. If you have found a bug, make sure to report it. And the final thing is book your personal onboarding. This is very exclusive for us in this preview and beta, and also in early access that will come very soon. So make sure to try out the new Easynote, and we are looking forward to hear your feedback. See you on easynote.com. Bye bye.